going, guys?
So tonight we're off to Air Lab in Cabramatta. It's one of our favourite places for fluffy pancakes. I guess we really like them there because they've got really awesome toppings like Oreo matcha. So stay tuned because we'll be there soon.
Okay guys, so Air Lab is located on John Street. It's the centre of Cabramatta and home to many amazing cuisines. We've got the best banh mi in Sydney, some great pho, and live entertainment it seems as well.
So it turns out we went to Air Lab and they didn't have any more pancakes. So we'll have to do this again next time.
1 week later.
Hey guys, so we're back for round 2. Hopefully they'll have pancakes this time.
Okay.
So for those of you who don't know what fluffy pancakes are, they're this really awesome Japanese trend that we've been seeing around quite a lot, where they whip the egg whites into the batter like a meringue. So they're really nice and fluffy, which is pretty awesome.
Fluffy. Alright guys, so we just finished up at Air Lab and God did we have a great time. The food was delicious. If you saw us smacking down those beautiful souffle pancakes, so fluffy, they were so soft. And those sauces, oh my God, those sauces.
So good. Anyway guys, catch us next time for another awesome food video. See ya!